In 1956, a 13-year-old boy shocked the entire chess world.
That boy was Bobby Fischer, and his game against international master named Donald Bry, and would go down in history as the game of century.
Today, we're breaking it down move by move, showing you teenagers' brilliance. Stunned everyone watching.
Yeah,
That game was very spectacular, bro.
yeah, and I'm still confusing you. Why?
I'm confused too.
So let's do a deeper analysis.
Oh, deeper analyzation. I'm ready, bro.
Wow, what a coincidence.
I mean, that game is way too amazing, bro. I can't even analyze it myself. We
Yeah,
need deeper
bro.
analyzing, bro.
Imagine, bro, Bobby just only 13 years old.
Yeah, 13 years old. So the game goes
Then
here,
we
bro.
with the
Yeah, knight f3, knight f6, and that IM is Donald Bry. Yeah. So we have English opening with knight c4, we have g7, there's c4, we have knight c3, bishop g7, and we have this d4, Bobby castle. So after castling,
to make
so you know, safety, or we have this bishop g4, f4 rather. We have this d5 and this. I mean, if you take out your queen early, it's very dangerous, bro. So yeah, you have exchange, pawn takes, queen takes. After queen takes is this, because that queen and bishop is staring at this pawn.
Yes.
So after push, we have e4 and we have knight. We have
but
knight
he
e7.
blocked that, bro.
I mean, it's Bobby Fischer, so
So yeah,
maybe he have a plan. So after this, we have rook to d1 and we have this. This is the plan.
That's the plan,
To
rook
turn
to
the
d1.
queen. So we have this queen and bishop to g4, pinning the knight to the rook.
Yes, yes.
After pinning the knight to the rook is we have this amazing
Yes.
move.
What?
Yes.
Yes, Brogy.
Wait. No. After bishop g4 we have this bishop g5 and
Yeah, the knight.
knight a4. After knight a4, the knight cannot take.
Because, yeah.
Fuck, natago ko knight. So because of this, knight takes here, so fork.
Yeah,
You cannot take the knight
you can make a fork, yeah.
because that knight is protecting something. So after knight here is that we have queen to b3, a8, and Bobby takes that
Oh.
because that knight is protecting
Ah.
something. So since the protection is out now, we have that knight takes there, but we have this
Oh, that's a pin F4,
the
bro.
fork. After forking is we have bishop c4. He did not panic at all. After bishop c4
Oh, he left that
and
rook.
Donald Bryan for the second time he did not take the offering.
Okay, okay.
Because he goes here bishop c4 because if he takes we have bishop here
Oh, the
to trade the queen goes there and the sacrifice of knight here. After it takes we have bishop in the knight the queen.
Yes, bro.
Okay, so
that's that move.
so he did not take the offering. Instead we have bishop c4. After bishop c4 is bishop c4 to castle the castle. We have this bishop.
Oh, to treat that.
No. Bishop c4, yes. We have this. To trade the queen. After threatening the queen,
In that move, in that move.
yes, he did that move. And yes, we have this.
Oh, that why, bro?
No,
Why he got
gives check first.
Oh.
The king moves and he gives here.
But why he moved that bishop, bro?
That is because
yeah, bro.
what happened in the game is
Because he
that Donald
just
Bryan takes.
tripping that. Yeah.
If this bishop can take is that we have this file open.
Oh,
We have this knight. Check. The king cannot go here because of the mate. Goes there g1. We have knight here. Check. 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 And we have this
Smother
beautiful
checkmate.
Smother checkmate.
okay, okay.
With the
So
knight
that's not
E2.
a move. So that's why
That's not the move.
Donald see that move.
Donald saw
So
it.
he
So
that-
instead of
that-
taking with the bishop there, he took here. After he took
Oh.
here, bishop could Fisher continue with his plan. We have this take with the check. After check, we have windmill again. The knight took here first. After taking that there force,
So
we have again
so
here
they
because of
move.
the rook.
Yeah, the rook.
So he goes here, check again, and we have this knight to c3. After knight to c3, we have g1, and
He take that.
takes here, threatening the queen. So threatening the queen goes here attacking the bishop, but the Fisher blocks it. Blocks the bishop with the rook a4. After rook a4, we have queen takes here,
Oh, okay.
and the queen takes here. And after that is that we have a beautiful
Oh, he
takes
yeah,
here,
he
the
take
rook
that.
takes here.
Then he moved
We have
that.
this for breathing,
So breathing area, so-
breathing area. And Bobby takes there. So we have this takes, and Donald offers a trade of rooks. Meanwhile, Bobby Fischer accepts the trade of rooks because he is winning if he trades all the pieces. And we have takes here,
Takes. Then check.
gives check here, here,
Yeah.
here. And after the check, we have this block,
To
block the bishop. The knight is here, and we have this bishop here. So after b8, b5 to attack the queen, we have this beautiful. I don't know. I'm confused about that. Meanwhile, this bishop is not pinned anymore.
Also, he
It
moved
goes
that
here.
bishop.
Here,
Check.
check. If we check after here, we got check.
Check.
After here,
Another check.
another check with this rook, I guess. And we have this move. After that move, we have a mating net now. So we have this check,
Yeah.
this check, this check.
Then
And
the knight.
the knight moves here.
The last.
Moves here. And
So there's
two
another
mate.
way. So
First mate is this, which is what happened in the game. And the second move is bishop to
Bishop.
a3.
yeah.
I mean,
That's
your game is way too spectacular. There are many tactics that you can learn from them. And yes, it's just another level, bro.
Yeah, bro.
What do you learn about the game, bros?
I can't believe that Bobby Fischer beat that IM or
Just 30
yeah,
years old, bro.
international master. He is just a kid, bro, with a highest dream like
Yeah.
that. So maybe
I mean, he's the GOAT.
Yeah,
He's the
he will
GOAT.
be a great player soon in the future.